Glenn stopped by and gave me this grappling hook he made. He's a blacksmither. And okay, he said I can use it when I go fishing with my magnet, do my magnet fishing. Well, the other day I cut off the end of that limb, but I didn't want to take out the tree, so I just cut it on that side and give the neighbors a little more light. And so the other end of the magnet is over here, and I've got a rope to the top of that limb, putting tension on the limb to be cut. Now the plan is that when I make the cut right about there, that when it falls it won't take out my fence. I'm not exactly 100% sure of this, but that's the plan. I'm going to change to a different saw so I can get out of the way. You never know where these things are going to fall. Be right back. Got me way back. I don't know. If it takes out the fence, it takes out the fence, and I'll just make another trip to Home Depot. I mean, you can see daylight in there, but just that core part must really be tough stuff, supporting all that weight. Uh-oh. I guess I need to tighten that chain up, huh? This is how you put a chain on a chainsaw or replace a chain. Clean all the debris and stuff out of there. And get this back around the cog wheel here. There's a little channel that these teeth go in. You have to get those in the channel before you put it back together. That's pretty much got it there. Ooh, that seems so tight. Get the battery. Put the battery back on it. See if it spins. If it spins, we're good. If it don't spin, back to the drawing board. Ooh, that's loose. And to tighten it up, you have to go under here and find this screw that's buried in all this junk here. And then there's a screw, and you screw it in or screw it out. Through usage and wear, chains loosen up over time, and so there is an adjustment on there to tighten them up, and you should tighten it up before the whole thing comes off. Note to self, do that in the future. We got some rains coming in from Hannah, hopefully, because we haven't had rain in about 2 months. It's drier than a bone in the desert. If I did this for a living, I'd have a saw with a longer blade, but I don't do this for a living, y'all. I'm an amateur. Just a homeowner. I take care of things. Man, it is right down to nothing in there. Come on, let go. Got a little bit of separation up top, I see. As long as they're going to take out Elvis over there. It's like beginning to give away a little bit. There it goes. There it goes. It's moving. Uh-oh, I'm afraid I'm going to take out my fence. Oh. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. I didn't calculate that quite right. Whoa, just one board. That's pretty good. I got a spare board. I can fix that. Not so bad at all. Okay. Woo-wee. Good job. And got that little board right down there. That grappling hook Glen worked just fine. I just miscalculated the angle of the tie off. Oh well, next time. I hope there's not a, well, there will be. Right now, I'm not sure if I got video of the final act. I sure hope I did. Just broke one board in the process, and missed Elvis. Didn't hurt him, but that's a pretty good piece of firewood. Give it a couple of years to dry out, and that's gonna make some good barbecue. Good barbecue. Well, this is what I harvested from that limb. Still some more cutting up to do. Those top two, I'll tell you what, that just about exceeded my ability to pick up. Just barely and slowly, but I got it off the wagon. With live oaks, because of oak wilt is spread through wounds in the tree, you're advised to paint them, so I painted it and got it all sealed up so them bugs, microbes, or the corona won't get in there. Hey, can you tell which one's the new board? Got her done.